How to fix your AirPods are not working during calls. So if you can't hear any sound from your AirPods or they keep cutting in and out, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now all you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone, and then you need to click on Bluetooth. Now obviously make sure your Bluetooth is turned on like this, and then you'll need to scroll down to your list of devices. Now go and locate your AirPods from the list and click on the information button next to them. You can then press forget this device and click on forget. Now once you've done this, that's going to disconnect your AirPods. So now all we need to do is go and reconnect the device. So to do this, grab your AirPods case like so, and make sure both of the AirPods are placed inside of the case. You can then flick open the lid of the AirPods case, and then you can come round to the back of the case and you should see this small button. Now we're simply going to hold this button down and you should see a white light on your AirPods case. Now continue to hold the button down until this white light turns into a flickering amber color. As soon as you see the amber light, you can then go and release the button. You can close the lid of your AirPods and go and unlock your iPhone. You can then flick open the lid of your AirPods, and you can basically just go through the steps on your iPhone to reconnect the AirPods. Once you've done this, you should be able to hear sound through your AirPods, including telephone calls.